other mother that did not make the journey with us. She's trying to make the journey. But I always told her when she came back home, I wanted to come. Because I know that America is not my home. It's not my home. This is my home. And I'm going to work on it because I'm coming back. And I'm coming back to stay. But when I come back, my 3 sons going to be behind me.
Hey! Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Your family, you're in St. Louis. And there are others that are coming after you. Your 3 sons, what are their names? Yeah.
First name is Damon, which is my oldest.
Okay.
My middle son, Carlos, he really wanted to come, but didn't have the finances. But when we go back, we're going to work fast. So the next 2 years, we'll be back. And I can see him telling me, Mother.
Same thing that my spiritual son did.
Mother, I'm not going back. Because at a young age, my middle son told me that he was leaving the United States. He did not want to live in the United States. Yes. So, I'm grateful to be here.
The youngest baby's name?
Charles.
What's his age?
29.
29. Girl, you good. You must say your name and where you from.
My name is Yolande Durham. I'm from St. Louis, Missouri.
And how did you get to the journey of this lifetime? How did you find out about us, Africa for the Africans?
My mother, Mama Colette.
Mama Colette.
Yes. Me and her daughter are best friends.
And Mama Colette traveled with us the journey of the lifetime. What year, Bamani? October 2011. There was a big group that come out of St. Louis in October 2011. Some strong Midwest folk, like myself, came that year. I loved it when the St. Louis crew came through. They were very, very strong family you have, and your very beautiful sister. And when I found out that that was your mama, I didn't know really that was your mama.
Everybody think that's my sister.
It's important for me to know that. And then when I found out that this was her 70th birthday trip. Did y'all put together for her?
Yes. She got 2 others at home, and we all went in.
Because that's what I'm talking about. Thank you. We love you.
Raised y'all well.
Yeah, she raised her well.